Hello, today I'm going to show you how to compile the server source code. I'm assuming that you already have both the source code and the archive I've posted below this video. We'll start by setting up our build environment. We need a FreeBSD ISO image, so we'll head over to freebsd.org. On the latest releases, click on 9.3. Scroll down until you see the FTP section, and click the first link below it. From this list, pick this image, FreeBSD 9.3 release disk 1, the 32 bits. While the ISO image is being downloaded, go to virtualbox.org and on the left hand side click on Downloads. Pick the proper version of VirtualBox for your operating system. If needed, click on Keep. Once downloaded, go ahead and install VirtualBox. It's a very simple process. Create a new virtual machine. Call it whatever you want. Give it around 1 gig of RAM. Create a new virtual hard drive. Next. 10 gigs. Create. If you need to make changes to the networking, this is the right time to do it. As I am using a router, I have to bridge my connection here. Bridge adapter, alright. Also go to storage and mount the image you've downloaded. And click start. The installing process is very simple. Just click enter, yeah. Press enter. Enter. Give it a name, whatever, FreeBSD. Disable everything here. Guided, entire disk, finish, commit. You will be prompted to enter a password for the root account, so just enter it. No characters will be shown. Press OK. Yeah, do your network things you may want to do. Select your time zone, country, region, whatever. Yeah. Now wait for the virtual machine to reboot and unmount the virtual disk. After the VM rebooted, log in with your chosen password. As the FreeBSD ports database has been ported to a new format, we'll have to run a few commands. Firstly, enter this. Press Y and enter. Alright. It seems that we should run also this, and echo. I'm using single quotation marks. Alright. We also have to configure the SSH server so that we can connect to it. Open the configuration file using ee /etc/ssh/sshd config. Search for permit root login. Where is it? Oh, uncommented, and change it to yes. Also search for use DNS. Should be around here. Yeah. Also uncommented and change it to no. Press escape, enter, save. Alright. Now enter this command service sshd restart. Well, now we have to install the ports collection, so port snap fetch extract. This may take a while depending on the speed of your computer. The last step of preparing our build environment is to install some software. So the first is gmake. We'll change the directory cd user ports devel gmake. Now make config recursive. And now press enter as many times as it needs. And now make install clean. And wait, the second program is make depend, so we'll follow the same procedure. The last piece of software is Python, so we'll enter cd /user/ports/lang/python, make config recursive, okay, make install clean. Well, just let me check if the compilers are alright. Well, they're fine. So, we're ready to rock, basically. Just open the crazy archive and let it open for like 1,000 years. Well, choose your desired branch, but I'm advising you to use mainline or mainline release, just because Novaline is shit. Whatever. Only extract the server folder. Just drag it here and well, you may close this now. Open your FTP client. Oh, come on. And enter your server data and fconfig. There we have our IP address. Alright, so now we just have to upload the extern and the server folder. Alright, now let's make a folder to tidy this all up. I'll call it workspace. I'm going to put this here. Now enter cd this squiggly thing workspace and tar xvf extern.tgz. Alright, so refresh. 666, number of the beast, whatever. Yeah, delete. All we have to do now is to unzip the makefiles file and upload its contents into the server folder. You may be prompted to overwrite some of the files. Now, back into VirtualBox, we may write cd server gmake all. Well, if we see this message, that means that the game has been compiled here, and also that the database has been compiled here. Another step that is not mandatory is to go to the game folder and strip the game file, the game core. I'm missing something. Oh. This action will make the file smaller in size. We may do the same thing for the database. If you encounter any problems, feel free to write in the topic below. Goodbye.